This is a complete set of equipment with a daily processing capacity of 200 tons of corn, designed, manufactured, installed, and commissioned by Shandong Sishui Haiyun Food Processing Machine Co., Limited. It is equipped with a drying tower and 5 PCS of steel silos with a capacity of 500 tons each. The flour milling workshop is equipped with 3 sets of corn hulling machines, 3 sets of hammer milling machines, 6 sets of flour roller milling machines, and 5 sets of double bin plant sifters. It can produce corn flour and corn grits. The product quality is excellent and has a good reputation locally. Haiyun Grain Machinery, dedicated to manufacturing every grain machine with care.